Okay, I'm reloaded. You motherfuckers think you big time? Fucking with Jay-Z, you gonna die big time. Here
So we're going to the golf course, boys. We're headed to the fucking golf course. So we're going to Dick's. They got on air horns. What are you gonna do with that, Rick?
Could take one of these down.
Maybe we'll have a kayak video coming up.
I think this is how you do it. I don't know.
Around the store with that or what? Oh shit, you tried to knock me off with that kayak.
Don't lay him down.
I got one.
Bring it around now.
Kayaking the Dicks. It's kind of hard, we don't got no time to Let me in.
Where the fuck?
I went to the Sprint store to tell Will to tell you to meet me at the whip.
To tell
That
who?
shit got, I told Will to tell you to meet me at the whip. That shit got hectic, bro.
What the fuck? After the fucking, I got you like in the aisle.
Yeah.
We got lost. I didn't know where you went. You didn't know where I went. So I'm like trying to hurry up and cash out so I can get to the car because I figured you were gonna come to the fucking car. And then I seen you come walking up, but you already at the fucking car first. And then, oh man.
While you're driving. Are we just gonna go up on the golf course and fucking just get in there and set the chair down, or like?
We're just gonna have to fucking wing it, you know. Whatever happens when we get there is, you know, we'll make a decision.
Got Red Bull.
Let's go.
How are we getting in here?
There's gotta be an opening somewhere.
First, let's throw a chair down here.
I'll follow you. All this for a fucking video. Oh shit.
It's ready to roll. This hill is fucking retarded. We're rocking right now. We're almost fucking there. Just gotta get up this hill. Top of the hill. Do we have golfers? I don't see any golfers, Rambo.
Away this way.
Oh, we got golfers down there. Down there, right there, on the left side, on the other side of the hill. So we go on the same way if we get kicked out or whatever happens. She might hit the fucking fan over here.
I think our best bet's being right here.
Oh, right over here? So we had to sit down, fucking take a break. That hill was fucking retarded.
We got golfers right there in the golf hole.
Had to take a break on them. Oh, we got golfers. Should I get in there?
Golfers, dude. They might be like maintenance or something. Oh, they are golfers. Right now it'd be fucking perfect, boys.
We might have been spotted. I don't know, she's pointing over here. Oh, they're coming right up here, dude. Dude, I can't keep the camera steady. These guys are like, fuck this game. We've been spotted. We've been spotted, boys.
What's up?
Morning.
Nah, he's gonna call the cops. He's a dickhead.
Come on, guys. How old are you?
14?
Unbelievable. Oh my God.
We gotta get the shot.
Tell me you're a private investigator.
Good try, man.
They're shutting down the whole shop, guys. They're all fucking looking over here.
I'm gonna get the guy on the far right.
I'm getting the fucking shot.
Oh, guys, come on. It's your problem. It's all right. It doesn't really bother me.
Dude, this dude just came over here and started snapping. We dipped right up out of there. Fucking bull got on his phone. You already know what's going on. We had to get out of there.